exit A of that street of ships is South Street Seaport Museum, anchored around these two tall ships riding in anchor. They're museum pieces now, the Peking and the Waver Tree, that one here, just a memory. They missed the bull market, well, too bad, but here comes Wall Street, second shop. I would not be here. Presidents come to this town all the time. It matters not one bit their name or their party. They come often, and when they do, this is where they land. Why do they come so often, these presidents? Well, cities have described Washington, D.C. as the loudspeaker to which New York speaks. Because after all, the golden rule, isn't it? He has the gold rules. The gold is here. So Bank of New York, and when you got there, you would be standing on top of 1/3 of the world's gold, 9,000 tons of this stuff. The gold is here. Wall Street's here. You just saw it with your own eyes. The United Nations, I'm saying. Presidents come all the time, and when they do, this is where they land, and when that happens, nothing else does. We wouldn't be here. Well, we continue on. No president today. We're going back to the Great Harbor. We are not going back. 55 minutes to get to Staten Island, which is more than 5 miles away. She has to get up this point. It used to be, if you want to take the first Staten Island ferry, you would have been 1810. Your crew, your captain, one person, same guy. A Dutch teenager with the name of Cook is the Indian. He did not do it great. And why should it? All so, all time, this is about the very commuting helicopters. Who commutes on a helicopter on Sunday? People out in the Hamptons do. That's how they get back. And that sort is never going to get themselves stuck on the Long Island Expressway at the end of the week. End of a week. It could happen. You're down here, so even let's say maybe you come down to go to Ground Zero, Hampton or something. Take a ride on the Staten Island Ferry over and back.